So address of port A is a given, and we will be generate the address of port B, port C, and CWR. So first, it is interfacing with 8086 and 8255, right? So first address of port A, whatever the address from A15, A14, A13, A12, A11, A10, A9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. So next, what will be the address? DC50. What is the DC? 1101. That is D. 1100. That is C. 50101. What is 00000? Okay. So this is the address of port A. Next, draw the diagram. Up to that, A3 to A15, all are connected with a NAND gate. A2, A3 to A515, all are connected with a NAND gate. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Just draw the diagram and show to me. Draw the diagram first. A3 to A15 will be connected. 0 will not be. It will be connected with a NOT gate, and 1 connected with a direct. Right?
Yes, sir.
Everyone do the same picture.
Yes, sir.
Basically, it will be the same picture if it is not wrong. So next, the question is how PB address will be.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
স্যার আমার বলছিলাম যে A15 যদি ওপর মানে নিচে কানেক্ট করি অসুবিধা হবে?
হ্যাঁ,
আমি ধরুন যদি A3 ফার্স্টে কানেক্ট করেছি, A15 লাস্টে কানেক্ট করেছি, অসুবিধা হবে?
অসুবিধা কিছু নেই, কিন্তু সবসময় আমরা বড় থেকে ছোট করি, উল্টোটাও করতে পারি। দ্যাট ক্যান বি কারেক্ট অলসো। নেক্সট, অ্যাড্রেস অফ পিবি। হোয়াট উইল বি দ্য অ্যাড্রেস অফ পিবি?
স্যার করব, ভিডিওটা অফ করব কি এখন?
হ্যাঁ, করে
ক্যালকুলেট
দাও,
করব। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ।
What will be the address of port B?
করছি স্যার।
Up to A3 no change. 11011110.
স্যার DC52
101.
DC51
No. Up to A3 no change because it's connected with a decoder or whatever you say NAND gate. Is
Yes,
it clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Up to A3 no change. A0 is not connected, so A0 also 0 over here. Next, only A2 and A1 will be changed. For PB it will be 0, 1. So what will be the value? DC52, I think.
Yes, sir.
Next, PC. What will be the port C?
Sir, 5.
Again, 1101110001010100, 100, right? So DC54.
Yes, sir.
Next, CWR 11011100101110. So it will be DC56. Okay. In this way, in 8086, all the 8255 will be connected. So, sir, there is a memory loss you can think about. There is a first DC 50, next is DC 52, then DC 53. So 1, 3, 5 is missing. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's why another 8255 will be connected. That's why another 8255 will be connected. Right?
Hmm.
So another 8255 means it should be connected like, you know, in DC 51 and DC 53, DC 55
DC 55.
and DC 57.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So next, go to the page number 181. If you have the books, share with 181. Or I can share. It will be better. 121, 181 page number. Not serial number. Page number 181. Share.
Yes, sir.
One 178. This one. Just see. This is nothing but a 18255. Okay. Um, this is you know, some switches is there. These are the switch. Okay. See, if you are pressing the switch PB0, automatically PA0 LED will be on. Similarly, PB1 it will be PA1 LED will be on. Similar like that. This is the circuit diagram. So here, just see, A0 is used for, you know, nothing but a use the chip select. Over here, if A0 is 0, then chip will be selected, because if all are 1, then output will be you know, 0, and this chip will be enabled, otherwise not. Similarly, A3 to A7 and A8 to A15 all are connected with a NAND gate. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Go to the next page, 182. This is nothing but a keyboard interfacing. This is nothing but a keyboard interfacing, which key will be pressed automatically using the row and column. Row and column. Assuming this is the ground. Okay. So whenever this switch is pressed, whenever
Sir, who is switch? Hello, sir.
hello,
Who is switch?
just tell me. Whenever say this switch is pressed, okay,
Yes, sir.
this switch is pressed means PA3 is 0, PA3 is 0. According to that, PA3 is 0, and according to that, PB3 also 0. So with the help of when these two switch is 0, you know, this I can identify this switch is pressed. When this switch is pressed, what will be happen?
So PB1 is 0.
PB1 is 0 and PA3 also 0. So with the help of these two combinations, which one is 0?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
So when I press this PB3 switch, PA3, then
Not I'm pressing
PB1.
the PS switch, any switch. These are the switch. All
Yes, sir.
are, you know, the left hand side, all are switch. So these portions all are nothing but all are switch. From this to ground. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. More total is 0 to F switch is there, 16.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So whenever you are pressing any switch, say you are pressing now, you are pressing this switch. You You are pressing this switch. What will be happen? Can you tell me, anyone?
So PA1 is 0 and PB1 is 0.
Means PH1 is 0 and PB1 is 0, means this switch is pressed. Say now I am given a marking like, say this switch is 0, so this switch is 0, this switch is 1, this switch is 2, this switch is 3, this switch is 4, this switch is 5. So means 5, whenever I am pressing the 5 switch, means it indicate PA0 and PB0 is 1. Sorry, 0. Rest all are 1. With the help of this combination, we can able to understand whether the any switch is pressed or not and which switch is pressed. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
It's clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
So with the help of that,
স্যার সরি স্যার ইন্টারাপ্ট করার জন্য স্যার
বলো।
বাবা কেটে যাচ্ছে স্যার আরেকবার বলে দেবেন আপনি মানে এই সুইচের যে ব্যাপারটা বলছেন
Say,
নেটওয়ার্ক প্রবলেমের জন্য কেটে গেছিল
say this switch I am pressing. There are 16 switches.
হুম,
Like
হুম,
this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and similar, this is F. And the corresponding the others. Is it clear? 0, 1, 2, 3,
Yes.
4, everything is clear?
হুম, হুম,
So next, say I am pressing any switch. Say if I am pressing this switch, assuming you know this point, assuming this point is nothing but a connected with say plus 5 volt. Every terminal, just see every terminal connected with plus 5 volt. Just see connected with plus 5 volt, but with a resistance.
হুম,
But with a resistance means these all the pins are 1 by default. But whenever you are pressing a switch, as there is a no resistance, so a ground are connected with that. A ground is connected with that. Okay. So what will be
Hmm.
happen? As I am pressing this switch, what will be happen? Means PA2 is 0 and corresponding PA2 is 0
PB2
and PB2 also 0. So means PA0 and PB2 0. So I can identify this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A. A switch is pressed. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
there should be a table. With the help of this table, we can easily identify that which switch is pressing now. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is nothing but a keyboard. Next, going down. Going down 187 page. This one. Just see. There are two 8255. One is a LB, another is HB. Lower bank and high bank. Okay. Lower bank and high bank
Yes, sir.
means whenever A0 is equal to 0, then corresponding this lower bank will be selected. When BHE bar is 0, then corresponding high bank will be selected. Corresponding high bank will be selected. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
If both the 0, then both the bank will be selected.
Hmm.
Both the bank will be selected. Here it is A3 to A7. You can connect the rest of the means A8 to A15 also, because if here it is assuming all are 0. So how this kind of diagram, how the address will be generated? I shown to you in this picture. I already now drawn you are this picture, but till now you are not this kind of picture. This kind of picture you are not drawn. So now we are drawn this kind of picture, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Here A0 also not connected, but A0 always 1. In the down bottom, A0 always will be 1. Then it will be in a higher bank. Just go to the another picture and write down if the address of port A, write down the questions. If the address of port A, if the address of port A if the address of port A is address of port A is EC
শেয়ারটা অফ করবো
EC yes EC51H EC51H EC51H. Then draw the interfacing diagram. And calculate PA PB PC address. And calculate PA PB PC and CWR address. Is it clear?
ইয়েস স্যার
Yes, sir.
Draw the diagram. First, write down the address of PA is equal to just similar whatever done in the previous. Only similar. Only this line will be changed. The value will be changed. And draw the corresponding diagram. Only A0 is not connected. Again, up to A3 will be connected. I'm everyone done? Means EC means 1110. Okay.
You mean 1100?
Okay. Next, what? You are not mentioning D0 to D7 in the left hand side.
Yes, sir.
And so, what will be the address of port B? Address of port B. A15 to A3.
So A15 to A3 to unchanged.
Same.
Unchanged.
Hmm.
As well as A0 also unchanged, as well as A0 also unchanged.
अच्छा
Only A1 and A2 will be changed. So
Change.
calculate the address. I think EC538. এই শুভ্রা দেখি কি লিখছো তুমি?
স্যার আমি জাস্ট শর্ট ফর্মে করতে গেছিলাম, সরি স্যার।
কোথাকার?
না স্যার,
Just see. This IP0 to IP7 is there. IP0 to IP7. Everyone can see.
Yes, sir.
This is one ADC IC. First ADC IC, what is the requirement? In the real world, all the data is nothing but an analog data. But microprocessor and microcontroller cannot work with the analog data. It's working with the digital data. So digital data, what are the advantage of digital data? You can know this is, it can be transmit, it can be stored. So that's why digital data is very much important with respect to the analog data. So now question is how the microprocessor and microcontroller connect with the real world. Real world means, say microprocessor and microcontroller connect with a sensor. Sensor means, say you want to measure the temperature, right? So temperature measurement sensor available in the market from the 20 rupees and onwards, and you can measure. But remember, this sensor is given only the analog signal, not any digital signal. So how this sensor is connected with a microprocessor or microcontroller? So ADC just like a use as a bridge to connect between analog data, analog world, and the digital world. This is a bridge between analog world and the digital world, right?
Yes, sir.
So ADC is basically a bridge which is connect with the analog data and analog world with the digital world. Analog world means any sensor output is always in analog, and whenever you are, you connected with a microprocessor and microcontroller, always a ADC is required between these two, right? So if I am doing a block diagram, which kind of block diagram will be there? Any idea you have? You just tell me which kind of a block diagram will be there. Tell me.
স্যার ব্লক ডায়াগ্রামটা মানে
Look.
0808 এর
Huh?
ব্লক ডায়াগ্রামটা কার
Block diagram of block diagram of sorry. Say I want to interface a temperature measurement system. Right? Temperature measurement system means I want to measure the temperature. I can control, I can on AC, I can on the fan, or I can on the heater. So first you know the temperature of this particular room. Am I right?
yes sir.
So
Yes, sir.
what will be the block diagram? Means how microprocessor and microcontroller will be interface. First, there should be a microprocessor. It may be 8085. It may be 8086, or it may be other microprocessor, right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
This block, connecting with a 8255. Without 8255, it cannot connect with any kind of things, right? Okay. Then it's connected with ADC. Then it's connected with any sensor and transducer. Is it clear?
Hmm.
So sensor and
Yes, sir.
transducer given the data to the ADC. ADC will be given the output to the 8255 and 8255 given the microprocessor. So microprocessor can know the temperature. Concept is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Any queries if you have, you can ask me. In the real world, I'm just talking about the real world situations. You cannot connect the sensor
Sir?
and transducer directly to the microprocessor.
হ্যালো স্যার,
Yeah.
এটা পুরোটাই অটোমেটিক না ম্যানুয়াল?
Manual means here the only the temperature measurement system. Automatic and manual, it will be coming if I'm temperature measurement and control.
আচ্ছা,
I'm just talking about the temperature measurement system.
Mm-hmm.
Is it clear?
ইয়েস স্যার।
Yes, sir.
Now I'm just go elaborately how it will be worked. How it will be worked. Can you have any example? You have a catch kor beta. How it is worked in the real world. Sensor will be given the temperature like 0 to 99. Say temperature sensor. Some sensor will be given the 0 to 99 degree temperature.
নো স্যার।
No, sir.
So what will be given the output? Tell me, try. It may be wrong, it may be right, no issues.
হ্যালো স্যার,
Yeah.
স্যার এটা একটা প্রথমে আমার যে টেম্পারেচারটা থাকবে ওটা আমি একটা কনস্ট্যান্ট প্যাটে সেট করে দিলাম। তারপরে ওটার আপ হলে আমার ধরুন যে এসির ক্ষেত্রে এটা হয়, ওটার আপ হলে এটা রাইজ হবে আবার নেমে গেলে স্টার্ট হবে।
No, no,
ওরকম?
no, 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 no.
আচ্ছা,
Sensor and transducer over here given a electrical signal. Or you know, different, maybe always not a electrical, change of signal, but not given the 0 to 99. Not given the 0 to 99, right? It may be
Yes, sir.
given 0, it may be given 1, it may be given 2, it may be given 3. Up to 99, it can be give, right?
Hmm.
Okay. So how the sensor will be worked? You know what is the sensor? Anyone have any definitions?
It's a particular কোনো ডেফিনেশন তো এখন এবার সেন্সর যে কোনো আমরা ফিজিক্যাল ওয়ার্ল্ডে যে কোনো আউটপুট বা যে কোনো কিছু আউটপুট বলাটা ভুল হবে, রিয়েল ওয়ার্ল্ডে যে কোনো
Sensor
টেম্পারেচার
and transducer, sensor actually basically sense, and a transducer is a definition. Sensor is nothing but a sense,
সেন্স,
and transducer is nothing but a convert one form of energy to another form of energy. One form of energy to another form of energy. So light, you can think about the transducer, but no, answer is not. Transducer is a device which is a low power device. Means it will be given always is a very low power, means given in a working in a millivolt range, not in a volt range. Maximum in the time it will be given the output in a millivolt, right?
yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
So in a sensor transducer, say I am connecting with the LM35. LM35, right? So LM35, what are the functions of LM35? LM35 is say a temperature sensor. Whenever temperature, say it is a given, say 0 to say 1 volt, actually 1.2 volt. For example, I'm given 0 to 1 volt, right? Say at 0 degree centigrade, it's give 0 volt. At 99 degree centigrade, it's given 1 volt.
1 volt.
Between this, sir, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. According to that, it will be changed. Means 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, similar, something like that. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Small change in the voltage. So how you can get a big change? So you can connect the sensor transducer. After that, you can connect a ADC, a op-amp system, amplifier. A amplifier over here, there is another block if you want to connect,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
amplifier, if you connect, then these 0 volt convert maybe in a 1 volt,
Amplified to 1 volt or
and
more.
it's
Yes.
1 volt maybe convert into the 5 volt. Using gain adjustment, span adjustment, or a lot of things is there. I'm not going into the details because I want to teach only the ADC. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So these
Yes, sir.
data, all the data are nothing but a analog data. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
But microprocessor cannot work with the analog data. It's always required the digital data. So it should be given into the ADC. So ADC will be give like 002FF, means any digital data, right?
Yes, sir.
And these ADC, you know, these ADC is connected with 8255 and 8255 connected with the microprocessor. So over here, you will be get this 002FF value. So now question is, how microprocessor will be understood which temperature it is? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How microprocessor will be understood which temperature it is? Can you tell me? Can you tell me?
How microprocessor will understand
That which temperature it is?
temperature it is? I mean, according to the temperature differences, the voltage or millivolt will come, na? So according to that input, I think the microprocessor will understand the temperature.
You can see my copy now? I think yes.
Yes, sir.
Now microprocessor how understand that with the help of 02FF which temperature it is. Means, say sir, you will be get like 1 volt to 5 volt,
Yes, sir.
and this sensor may be connected like you just see. This is maybe a water tank. Here, one. Can you say what is this?
Sir, water level detector.
No, no. This is a heater.
5, 8.
This is a heater actually. Coil.
Okay.
And this is the sensor. Sensor just touch the water. Okay. Just touch the water. There are 3 legs. One is the input. Input means plus 5 volt we are given. Another is ground. And another is output. Okay. Here I'm connecting with a thermometer. Thermometer. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
from that you will be get the output voltage of the sensor, right?
Yes, sir.
And from thermometer you will be get the temperature. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
On the other hand,
Yes,
it
sir.
can be say sensor output op-amp means amplifier. AMP output, it may be, you know, ADC output, it nothing but a temperature. Can I do a table like that? Sir, how I am getting sensor output from this point? From this point only, sensor output.
Zero.
Maybe
Zero.
0 volt, maybe 0.1 volt, maybe 0.2 volt, maybe 0.3 volt, something like that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Amplifier
Yes,
output, maybe it is a 1 volt, it is maybe 1.3 volt, maybe 1.4 volt, maybe 1.5 volt, something like that. Corresponding ADC output like 0, 2 up to 5 volt, it will be get FF output. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And in temperature, using in thermometer, you will be getting like 0 degree centigrade, 1 degree centigrade, 2 degree centigrade, something like that. I'm just giving an example. 99 degree centigrade. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this table 002 FF and corresponding temperature, I will be insert into the microprocessor system. Means there is a table. It's called lookup table, right? This lookup table insert into the microprocessor system or microcontroller system. Then any value will become, say coming is 3F, corresponding temperature say 31 degree centigrade. Okay. So when 3F is coming, microprocessor assuming this is 31 degree centigrade. So microprocessor or microcontroller easily understood that 3F means 31 degree centigrade. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
From
Okay,
this microprocessor know what will be the temperature. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Whatever I am discussed today, it can be a final year project also. Next, I'm going into the what are the function of this pin. So ADC is very important. I think it will be understood to everyone. Without ADC is not possible at all. Without ADC is possible.
No, sir.
Because without ADC, how microprocessor will be connected, right?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Analog to digital converter.
So analog to digital converter is required. That's why I am just given a lot of time, for this. Next, I am coming into the IP02, IP7. What are the functions of IP02, IP7? IP02, IP7 is nothing but the functions is nothing but for input channel 1 to input channel 0 to input channel 7. Input means analog channel. So this is a ADC. 0808 or 0809. This is the analog input channel. IP0, IP1, IP2, similarly like IP7. Means you can connect 8 sensor in that particular pin. Okay. You
Yes,
can
sir.
connect 8 sensor in that particular pin. 8 different sensor, maybe one temperature sensor, maybe one level sensor, maybe one pressure sensor, any kind of sensor you can connect in every pin. Any pin you can connect. Okay,
Okay, sir.
is it
Yes,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
here you will be get any analog signal, and over here you will be given just 3 O0207.
Mean output.
O0207. Just 3. O7 is MSB. MSB means most significant bit. O0 is LSB, means lowest significant bit.
Low.
O0207. It's connected with 8255 any port. That is different issue. That will be coming later on. But it's a O0207, means any analog input, then corresponding output you will be get. Okay.
Yes.
Next question is how 8 channel can be converted? No, sir, not at a time. That's why there are 3 selection line, address A, B, C, address A, B, and C, address A, B, and C. If I am going to the diagram, you will be see. Just see. This is A, B, C. Can you see A, B, C?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is A, B, C. So what are the function of ABC? Just let me know. Just CBA table 000 input channel 0 001 input channel
Channel 1.
1.
One.
Similarly,
Okay, sir.
1 1 1 input channel
Is F.
7.
Okay.
Okay, so 8 analog channel
Mhm.
you can select using address A, address B, and address C. Address A, address B, and address C. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Address
Yes,
A,
sir.
address B, and address C using you can select any analog channel. Okay.
Mm.
Next, V reference plus and V reference minus, and ground and VCC. First, I'm telling about the ground and VCC. VCC, where is VCC? VCC is not showing over here. So with
11.
ground is ground. Ground is connected with the ground, right? And next is function is V
Yes, sir.
reference plus and V reference minus. Is a very important one. V reference plus and V reference minus. It's also a very important pin. Oh, VCC is there. Pin number 11 connected with plus 5 volt.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Mm.
V reference DCC is connected with plus 5 volt. Ground connected with ground. Next question is V reference plus and V reference minus. It's also very, very important one. V reference plus and V reference minus. This is nothing but a range selection. This is nothing but a range selections. You can connect V reference with ground. You can connect V reference plus with plus 5 volt. Okay. Then what will be happened at input signal? If 0 volt, then its output will be 00H. At input 5 volt, it will be output at FFH. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Means V reference plus volt, it will be get the maximum output. V reference minus, it will be get the minimum output. Okay. You can
Okay,
given
sir.
over here 3 volt. What will be happened? Then input channel, any input channel, maybe input channel X, maybe the volt is 0 volt. You will be get 00H, and 3 volt. After 3 volt, you will be get FFH.
FFH.
Sir, 3.1, you will be get again FFH.
FFH.
Sir, up to 5 volt, you will be get FFH. Means 3 volt and above all the voltage, you will be get FFH.
FFH.
Sir, which one is better? Sir, 3 volt or 5 volt?
5 volt.
5 volt. But it's wrong. How? Sir, my sensor output is lying between 1 volt to 2 volt.
Mm.
My sensor output is lying between 1 volt to 2 volt. And my temperature difference is 0 volt, 0 degree centigrade, 2 in a 2 volt in 99 degree centigrade. Okay. Is it clear? Now
Yes,
his
sir.
question
Yes,
is
sir.
over here. Now his question is over here. Sir, how many combinations of output you will be get?
2 combinations.
256. 00 to FF.
FF.
250 means 256 combinations you will be get.
Hmm.
Means every voltage 0 to 5 volt, as you have 0 to 5 volt, so 0 to 1 volt, how many combinations of output changes you will be get? Near about 55, near about 50. In a 1 volt you will be get 50 different changes. Means it can
Yes.
access, maybe it can access 0.01,
01. Yes.
0.015, then output will be same. Output will be same because it only have 50 changes, not more than that. It have only 15 changes. You cannot more than that. If you require
for
more
every
than that,
volt.
if you require more than that, whatever you done, say for this case, you required within this 1 volt, you need 100 changes.
100 changes. Yes.
But in this range, what will be the maximum change in per volt?
50.
50, but
50.
so you will be get like 0 degrees centigrade, then 2 degrees centigrade, then 4
Okay.
degrees centigrade, like 6 degrees centigrade. You cannot get 1, 3, something like that.
Okay.
So how it will be done? Say I do it like V reference minus is nothing but a 1 volt, and V reference plus is nothing but a 2 volt. What will be happened? In 1 volt input channel X, 1 volt you will be get 00H, and 2 volt you will be get FFH.
FFH.
Sir, below 1 volt, what will be the output? Means 0.9 volt.
0.
Sir, V reference
Hmm.
minus.
V reference minus is 1 volt set. V reference plus is 2 volt set. So that's why V reference
Minus
in
0.9.
input channel 1X, input channel X, I'm given a 1 volt, I am getting 00H.
008.
Input channel X, I'm given 2 volt, I'm getting FFH. Now my question is, if the input channel voltage is 0.9 volt, means below 1 volt,
Hmm.
what will be the output?
Yes.
It's still 008.
00H, absolutely.
Yes.
Sir, 2.1 volt,
FFH.
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 Similarly, below 1, you will be get 0. After 2, you will be get FF. But these
FF,
two, how
yes.
many combinations you will be get?
So 256.
256.
256.
So in that case, we will be select the V reference plus and V reference minus in such a way, we will be get the maximum output. If you know the characteristics of the sensor, you should be know the
Hmm.
characteristics of the sensor, and otherwise how you connect, how you worked with that. Is it clear? So that's why V reference and
Yes,
plus
sir.
and V reference minus is very important one also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Now is question is, what are the function of other 1, 2, 3 important pin? Clock is given the clock from the outside, like you are given the clock like connected external clock like that, connected with the clock. Okay.
Hmm.
So rest all other signal like ALE, SOC, EOC, and OE. These 4 is a very, very important, pin. And what are the functions? Is it clear? Rest all other pin, I think already described.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Any pin is left.
No, sir.
So these 4 is a very important pin. Sir, you want to select channel 2. You want to select channel 2. What will be your requirement? What will be your requirement?
So
Channel
4
two.
input.
Yes.
4 input.
Channel 2 means CBA
That means
0,
001.
0, 1, 0.
Channel
Channel 2.
2. Oh, yes. yes.
010.
010.
Uh,
IP2.
IP2 will be selected.
Yes, sir.
3, 011. Then IP3
Hmm.
will be selected. Something like that.
yes, sir.
Selected
Yes, sir.
means just if I'm talking about the sensor, just there is a buffer. This buffer is connected with corresponding line. Say this buffer, say there is an internal buffer. This buffer register are connected with IP2, but data will not be taken until you will be given the ALE signal. What will be the ALE signal? Say you are given 02 in CBA. You are given C0, B1 and A0. Input channel 2 is selected, but not the data is coming into the internal buffer. So first you are given a signal like ALE signal. ALE, address latch enable. After given the ALE signal, this input channel 2 is permanently selected. Okay.
Hmm. Okay, sir.
Next, there is another job is after a certain delay, After a certain delay, or you can give it in the same time. Another signal is called SOC, full form startup conversion. Full form startup conversion. Sir, you know the in a ports, ready 1, 2, 3, Onimar, go. Am I right? Without
Hmm.
go, you cannot start your run. Am I
Yes.
right? So without
Hmm.
given this SOC signal, ADC cannot start the work of, cannot start the work of conversion, starting the conversions. ADC will not be start the conversion. Okay. After given the SOC signal, ALE signal will be start to convert. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, conversion, it takes some time. It's very minimal, below 1 second, but it takes some time. But whenever you get, whenever you are get EOC, conversion is done, this signal is a, sometime it will be a high, sometime it will be low, depend upon the ADC. It's called EOC signal. Full form end of conversion. Full form end of conversion. After given the starting time and we are getting the ending time, this time is called conversation time. Conversation time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
After EOC signal you received, then you make OE signal high. Make OE signal high. Full form output enable. Full form output enable. In that time interval, whenever you OE signal high, you can get the data. Output data in that particular time interval. So first you should be give ALE signal, then you should be give SOC signal, then you will be received a EOC signal from the ADC,
Okay.
then you will be sent another signal like OE, full form is output enable. Then you can get the data. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So with respect to microprocessor, or with respect to 8255, this signal is a output signal. This signal also output signal. This signal also
Output signal.
input.
Input.
No, input.
Signal.
This signal also
Input.
output signal.
Output signal.
Means I am given ALU signal, microprocessor given ALU signal, microprocessor given SOC signal,
Hmm.
then microprocessor will be received EOC signal, then microprocessor given OE signal and get the output. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So remember this page number. Tomorrow I will be explain.
Okay.
Oh, EOC
Okay,
signal over here also the same is given. EOC signal is given, like it's also down. Sometimes some ICs it have lower, sometimes it's have a higher. There is no problem at all. You will be get it from the data sheet.
Okay, sir.
Sometimes the signal is higher, sometimes its signal is lower. Over here I'm see that
Lower.
it is lower.
Okay.
You are getting the EOC signal, then OE, and then you will be get the output. Tomorrow I will be explain this picture first. Just this picture will be changed. ALE and OE signal will be changed. Rest of the picture you just draw. You just with a draw. You don't draw this OE signal and ALE signal. It will be drawn by me. Rest all are the
Okay.
diagram.
Okay.
It will be drawn from your home because this book is already available with you.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
How many page number? It is a serial number, I think 223, and page number maybe 204, maybe 204. I don't know what are the page.
Okay.
204, I think. So OE signal and ALE signal without these two, just see the arrow. SOC signal, it's a output signal. EOC signal, it's a
Hmm.
Input
EOC
signal.
input.
Similarly, ALE signal and OE signal also is nothing but an output signal with respect to 8255. Remember this too.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
I
Yes.
will be
Okay, sir.
draw
Okay,
this
sir.
diagram and I will be write down the program. Next ADC and DAC interfacing. Tomorrow it will be done ADC and DAC interfacing. Next there is another thing is that there is a DMA controller and it is the end of 8086. And I requesting to everyone that write down all the program whatever I am writing in 8085. It will be converting into the 8086 as well.
হ্যাঁ স্যার এগুলো
Yes,
করছি
sir.
সেগুলো কোথায় জমা দেবো ক্লাসরুমে
ক্লাসরুমে আবার আমি চাইবো আগে লিখতে পরে বলবো আগে তোমরা নিজেরা খাতায় করে নাও ইট উইল বি ডান
আচ্ছা স্যার।
Okay.
Yes sir.
ওকে
Okay, sir.
Anything else
Uh,
required?
Sir, কালকে